Rosel Andrade, and my native language is Filipino. I am 26 years old and my occupation is office staff. And my other language spoken is just basic English.
How long have you been studying English?
I've been studying English since grade school.
Where have you studied English before?
I studied English before at school and through self-study using apps and online videos.
Why do you want to learn English?
I want to learn English for my work and career advancement, for my travel, and also to communicate with my friends and family.
What is your primary goal for the next 3 months?
My goal for the next 3 months is to speak more confidently at work and improve my vocabulary.
Which skill is most important for you to improve right now?
The most important skill for me to improve right now is my speaking speaking skills in English.
How do you learn best?
I learn best by visual and auditory.
What is the most difficult part of English for you?
Most difficult part of English for me is grammar and speaking English confidently.
How many hours per week can you dedicate to studying?
Sometimes it's 5 to 7 hours.